Today I'm doing a review of the Vivitar smart lamp, or smart lighting, and this is what it is. It's fairly simple. There's no bending out of place. It's just USB cable with a switch. So beyond that, you're going to basically need a mobile phone so you can run it with an app. The user manual, and the user manual gives you some basic information like a QR code that you see right here for your mobile phone, be it Android or Apple. And that will help you download the app. All we need is a USB power source. The light itself really doesn't do anything. It's stiff, it doesn't tip anywhere, it just sits on your desk. Now the one thing you'll need to know is if you need to reset this, you have to hold the button here for maybe up to 5 seconds for it to go back to pairing mode if you didn't get it connected in the first place. So it'll start flashing very quickly. So we're going to plug this in, we're going to watch that. And as a side note, we have an on-off power switch. So when we got it plugged in, we just press our switch, and when it starts flashing quickly, that's going to be in pairing mode, which it is right now. This is where I need to go to my app on my phone, and of course you'll probably need your Wi-Fi password. Here's the app on my phone itself. I'm going to have to press that. Then we're presented with the app as such. And I'm going to have to add a device. The fun part about the app is how many items there are and how many locations there are to go through and find what you're looking for. Luckily, there's a user manual for that. So for category to add, it says to go to category is lighting, and to add under strip light and Wi-Fi type. All the instructions to install are in your included instruction booklet. So I connect to my Wi-Fi carrier. I put my password in. Then I have to connect. It found my device. So it looks like it found my device. I press next. So after it's added, we have to press done. And now we have our control menu. Now the one thing you might want to know is how bright this is. Right now the lights are dim, so I'll show the light and then I'll show with the room lights on. This is not extremely bright, this room, when the lights are on, but it's probably an average room. But right now it is dimmed. So this makes it easier to see all the colors and everything. Okay, right here I have it, so we can actually see clearly. So we have it at 100%. That's not going to brighten up your entire room. And let's see if I can show this properly. There we go. You can see it in the back wall as I increase and decrease the light. We also have another section, green. There we go. And I can scroll up and down. I can choose my color wheel. And choose yellow. Let's see if that works. Okay, there we go. Red. There we go. Simple. And if I go back to here, I can choose all different color tones. So alternate. And let's choose this green one here for the fun of it. And then again, that should alternate different tones. Same idea here as well. Is there more? Okay, we have a few more different ones. And we can keep on seeing these little color tones that it will change to if we choose another one. So there's not too much here to see. It just gives nice ambience. There's a music mode. I don't understand how that music mode works at all. On the topic of music mode, I tried playing a song on my phone and it did absolutely nothing. I tried talking on my phone, like towards my phone, making noise, did absolutely nothing. So music mode, for the most part, unless you know how it works, leave a comment below. It says here about syncing music for your phone, but maybe you'd have better luck with a smart assistant of some sort. Beats me. But I had no luck and I don't have a smart assistant. So I can see the tone a bit, but in a room with lights, it's not even overly bright in here. Now if I want to add more light this way against the wall, you're going to see it's not very bright. Well, I use it for backlighting behind my monitor. I just sit it on the thing because it's literally in this pedestal. You don't have much choice. It could be on the back of your desk, back of your TV or something like that. So where I put it is right back here. So how I normally set up this light is just behind my screen, say on the back of my monitor, just with a cable attached to the side of my computer screen, just to add a little bit of ambience and lighting to the scene. Not much to it. It gives it something basic, it's fairly affordable, and it adds a bit of depth to your scene if that's what you're looking for. I couldn't find any reviews on this item whatsoever. Please subscribe to Not Bios Tech and Reviews to help this channel grow. I paid for this myself, and I've heard it kind of neat. And yes, this does work for my purposes, but hopefully now you know if this works for you. Thanks for watching, and have yourselves a most wonderful day.